Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Slow Seline, who is a character from the game Garten of Banban. So let's start drawing Seline. Seline is like a creepy snail. So I'm going to start with a circle here for an eye, and we can do the inside circle. And then I'm going to do another one right here, and another inside circle. And after, I'm going to color those in all dark. Actually, nah, I'll just do it now. I'm going to go over them after with a dark marker. Okay, so next thing, let's give it a bit of space, and let's do a big creepy smile. So we're gonna have a big like jelly bean kind of shaped mouth. And then we can attach the eyes with two lines. And right here in our jelly bean shape, we can do like another inside jelly bean. And now we can do a line right here and go across, and now do a pile of straight lines. And there's our creepy smile. All right, so now we're gonna do a body shape. So I'm gonna come down from here, and see I'm kind of curving. It's gonna get wider here. Kind of like a vase or a vase. Okay, like that. And now Celine's shell is going to be here in behind. So I'm just going to kind of do a rounded shape right here. And we can see a bit here coming out on this side. Now I'm going to start doing the swirl. Like that. And we don't see the swirl on this side because of the way that Seline is kind of turned. So that's it for our drawing, and now we can start coloring. All right, we are finished drawing Slow Seline. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you join me again tomorrow for our next drawing. All right, everyone, have a really, really good day. Goodbye.